Hello guys, welcome back for another question, and today we are going to solve a question from inverse trigonometric functions chapter from class 12th, and let us see what does our question say. So we have to find the values of the given expression, and the expression is something like sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3. So upon looking at the expression, I get an idea immediately that we can use a formula that looks like this: sine inverse of sine x is equal to x, provided that x lies from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, inclusive, both inclusive. We can directly apply this formula, but the problem here is that 2 pi by 3 does not lie in minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 range. So we have to find a turnaround. We have to find some alternate method so that we can bring this 2 pi by 3 in this range. So let us see how to do it. Okay, so in the first step they have told that sine inverse sine x is equal to x, and the range of this function sine inverse is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, but 2 pi by 3 does not lie in this range. So what we do, let us see the next step. Yes, so now we already know that sine of pi minus x is equal to sine x. This is an identity, or we can say this is a general known formula, that sine of pi minus x is always equal to sine x, as sine x lies in the second quadrant. So sine of x, that was sine 2 pi by 3, can be written as sine of pi minus 2 pi by 3, which is actually equal to sine of pi by 3. Does pi by 3 lie in this range? Minus pi by 2, pi by 2 to pi by 2 inclusive. Yes, this lies. Then now we can apply our formula, that is sine inverse of sine x is equal to x. So we can now apply this formula, sine inverse of sine x is equal to x, as our pi by 3 lies in this range, pi by 2 to pi by 2. So let us see the next step. Yes, they have done the same thing. Sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3 can be written as sine inverse of sine pi by 3, as I already told you here. And then we apply the formula sine inverse of sine x is equal to x. So we get our x is equal to pi by 3. So this is our answer. I hope you all got it. Thank you and have a nice day.